Hi Beauty Pies! In today's video, I'm going to be using new affordable makeup that I recently purchased from CVS. I am using most of these products for the first time in this tutorial. For my first impressions of these products, there are two products that really stood out to me. One is this Revlon eyeshadow palette. This is the Revlon Color Stay Day to Night, and it's in the color 575 Exquisite. It is a new shade. There are a lot of other color stories as well. There's a really beautiful blue one. They're reasonably priced, and I didn't have to apply a lot in order to get the color and the pigmentation that I have. It was very easy to apply. There was very little fallout. The other standout product was this Maybelline liquid lipstick. It's officially called the Superstay Vinyl Ink, but wow, yes, it is like ink because it stays on your skin for days. This is a swatch I did from my haul video from last week. I tried makeup remover. I don't have a waterproof makeup remover, which is what I think is what I'm gonna need, but it stayed on really long. What a great color. Such a nice color for brown skin, but it's a typical drugstore formula where it's not a heavy layer of product and heavy amount of color. It still gives you full coverage on your lips. Definitely a great product for us darker ladies on those days where we want to skip the lip liner and the lip gloss and all the mix-ins that we have to do to get our lipstick color right. So now let's get started on this makeup tutorial. The moisturizer I'm using is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. This is fragrance-free. It's got hyaluronic acid and peptide complex. It's made to be used in the morning, under makeup, or at night. I'm not using an eye cream or a primer. I'm using the Lush Lip Oil by Blossom. Also done my brows already with this brow pencil from Joah. It's a brow pencil and gel in one. I wanted to review this concealer on my skin, so I'm going to apply the concealer first before I apply the foundation. This is the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken 5-in-1 concealer. It has a sponge tip applicator, so you just squeeze the tube and the product will come out. I was surprised at how light this color was for being medium deep. It's a 5-in-1 concealer and it's also supposed to be brightening, so that's probably why all of the colors are going to be lighter than you would expect. On camera it looks like it's just a little bit brightening, but it is about 3 to 4 shades lighter than my skin tone. Next we're putting on foundation. I used an entire dropper's worth of product so I can get full coverage. For the setting powder, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder in the color Tan. That's the color. This isn't new, but it's new to me. It feels really nice on the skin. I don't know if it's fragrance free, but it doesn't have any detectable fragrance. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Revlon Color Stay Day to Night eyeshadow quad. This is a new shade in Exquisite. I'm gonna add a little bit of this concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelid. I'm gonna start with a light matte shade here. So I'm going to apply this all over the lid and into the crease. I'm focusing more here on the outer corner. I'm avoiding this area right here because I want to keep that area bright. I'm gonna start applying it on the lower lash line as well. I'm taking a short shadow brush. I'm going to first pick up the lighter shimmer. I'm going to concentrate this more here in the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take the darker shimmer and apply that to the center. Wow, that is really pretty. Very pigmented. I can't believe that there wasn't even a little bit of fallout. I'm taking this Morphe M412 brush again. Now I'm going to take that dark purple color, dark matte purple. Just tapping it in. Okay, so that one has some fallout. And I'm putting most of the color on there, the outer corner. Oh. Dark purple is a little harder to blend out, but still for a purple, it is blending out pretty good. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. liquid liner to just create some shape with that line. For lashes, I'm trying on some new Ardell lashes. I bought both of these. This is the one that I'm most excited about, so I'm going to try this one on. I'm going to bronze with this CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed High Pigment Bronzer. It's in the color Ebony. I'm using the Real Techniques blush brush to apply this. The blush, the CoverGirl True Blend So Flushed High Pigment Blush in the color Love Me. Probably should not have bought a color this light. I just thought that if it's high pigment, then it might be able to work as a highlighter, but it does have a subtle sheen, but there's really no color coming through. Last but not least is the lipstick. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipstick in the color Witty. I'm not using a lip liner, I'm just going to go directly in with the lipstick. Alright, so that is just with one application. I was debating whether I should put another layer, but it really, I don't know what it would do other than just brighten the color because it's completely covered up all the pigmentation on my lips. I'm going to go over that with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Ruby. So I'm going to start by applying this here in the center. We are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this new affordable makeup tutorial. This is the final look. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.